Thank you very much for giving me an opportunity to lead this nation that we all love. Thank you very much for also agreeing to the coming together of both Baba and myself so that we can form the broad-based government. And just so that you have the right context, the broad-based government is neither a creation of Baba or myself. It is God-sent. I say that because it is what is necessary for us to have the political goodwill to be able to push the development agenda of our nation, because transformation of a nation is not an easy thing. It is difficult. It takes very difficult decisions to transform a nation. And therefore, you need immense goodwill to be able to drive any meaningful transformation of a nation. And therefore, I sincerely appreciate your support for the broad-based government, and I want to give you my assurance that no Kenyan, no region, no community, no religion is going to be left behind. We're going to move together. Peace and stability is key to the prosperity and development of Kenya. And therefore, we must continuously harness our diversity in a unified manner to be able to take our rightful place as a nation that is growing and developing by making sure that we enhance our patriotism, our working together. And as you know, there are those of us who want to continue the exclusionist agenda that we exclude others. And I have made the decision that no one must be out for anybody to be in. We can all be in. You know, we have enough for all of us as a nation to share. And that is the basis upon which Baba and myself have sat down to form the broad-based government, to make sure that inclusion, leaving nobody behind, is the chemistry that makes Kenya what it should be. So you have my commitment on that, and every step that will assist us get the country closer to unity is something that I will drive, and I will make sure that we work on it. We did approve as cabinet the elevation of the Jaramogi Referral and Teaching Hospital to level 6. And we have now taken over the funding and management of that facility. In this year's budget, I know Professor here has been spending close to 1 billion shillings every year to support that facility. Now, Professor, you will have an extra 1 billion shillings to do something else. You can now go and improve some of the smaller facilities. In our budget from next month, we have allocated 3 billion shillings to not just manage, but to begin the process of transforming that facility to a truly level 6 facility. And there are other interventions that we are going to carry out in that facility because it occupies a significant place in making sure that we support health provision at that level. Many people still come to Moi Teaching and Referral, others come to Kenyatta, and so with now the takeover and the improvement of Jaramogi, we should be able to do more. But the good news is that Jaramogi will now have 3 billion shillings from this year, money that was not there in the past. And hopefully we should be able to see a difference in that facility. The stadium near town, I think I took off from there the other day, the one next to Lumumba there. So that one, is that the Moi Stadium? Yes. So let me make a commitment of 800 million shillings to build that stadium. And Professor, I will send my PS for defense next week to have a conversation with you so that we can send our engineers to assess it, because as you say, we have a big sporting spirit in Kisumu, and therefore I think you deserve a modern stadium at that place.